Hey, eagle! Hey, eagle!
Is that a seagull? He wants your pizza.
Good.
Good.
Yeah, that's why he wants it, because it's good. But you can't let him have it.
Oh my gosh.
That was my
Pack
growl.
Eagle!
You can't give him your pizza though, baby. It's for you.
Eagle? Hey, eagle!
Hello, seagull.
Alright.
You like them?
Yep. Eagle? Fly?
They all flew away.
Gone?
They're gone.
Fly?
Yeah,
Flying?
that's right. Fly with their wings. They flew. Yeah, they're gone. They flew away.
Gone?
See,
Not eagle gone.
I know, I growled
It's
them
okay,
away.
baby.
It's okay.
Come back?
They'll come back. You can
They'll probably
guarantee
come
that.
back.
Eagle? Want eagle?
You want to see more?
You can see them all over the beach, sweetheart.
They're looking for food.
Look, food?
Yeah, that's why they thought
In
you
the sand?
They wanted some of your teeth.
In the water. They eat fish.
Worm?
I don't know if they eat worms. That's a really good question.
What?
Do seagulls eat worms? They do?
They'll eat anything.
Oh, okay. Look, Bella, there's another one. Bella, right up there. See him?
See, he smells your pizza.
You're such a good share bear. You know that?
I'm pink. Eagle?
Aw. There he is.